Daily gales, gossip of terror, and tornadoes clone as if in infinite mirrors. God watches over us though, and as the wind blow, He oversees, cities turning into seas. I feel helpless as I pray for victims' wellness. Distraught and crying, kin of victims sighing. Why is Mother Nature so cruel? One minute there is sunrise, the next moment you hear cries. Young babies, old ladies, all trapped in this haplessness. A second Noah's Ark. God tells us to hark, batten down the hatches, and as He snaps trees like matches, remember, we are all one. As bombs explode and tears flow, those on cloud 7 come down from heaven. As barrages fire, all unite in this horrid quagmire. As we come together, we will remake Houston for the better. Resurrection is impossible, but together we make it possible. Harvey left distraught in his wake, many a person who stay awake. If we unite as one, we can get rebuilding done. Neighbors help neighbors, and the common man labors, the hand hardened from oaring, helpful soul soaring. 911 is overworked as residents do their tornado homework. We must pray and not stray, stay calm and strong, for I believe God will see us through the storm.